All right, good afternoon. Right now I'm going to walk you through how to access your history book through Clever. So just follow these steps with me to get to your book. So you're going to go to your Clever site. You can either go to Mr. Raymond's homepage or you can find it within your student page. I recommend you create a favorites file, and all you have to do is kind of scroll over any of these apps, any of these icons, and you're able to click the heart there. It'll add it to your favorites. Anything that you use on a regular basis, I recommend you do that with. So right now we're going to go into our history book. Our history book is under Pearson EasyBridge. So just click on that app. Because you're in Clever, you have kind of one-click access to everything, so you should not need any type of password. Then you're going to come over here into the right-hand corner. Yours might look a little different than mine, but you're going to hit Realize. Click that. Now our book is right here, California American History, My World Interactive Growth and Conflict. It's green. We'll click that. And then we're into our book. So currently we're in what we're calling topic 0, California Review Topics, connecting with the past. So you can click on that. We'll be in this for another couple days, and then we'll be moving to topic 1. So if we click that, that'll give us access to our social studies book and each of the lessons. So again, we're in what we're calling topic 0, lessons 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we're in 4 right now, I will click on that. And this gives students access to the book. They can click on Lesson 4 e-text, and this is the actual text from the book. And they can either read it as they would their book, or they have the ability to come right here, and they can have it narrated to them. So I will press this play button, and you can hear what that sounds like, hopefully. So just a snippet of what that looks like. Anytime we work out of the interactive journal, they'll come over here to the taking notes and practice vocabulary. They'll be noted, something like that. So these tabs, they can just click. And for me, I would just download this, and that makes this a workable file that I can click in the boxes and I can interact with. I can type in there, save it, I can screenshot it. But they also have an interactive notebook at home that they can work out of. Down here, it'll give them examples of their vocabulary and definitions. So that, in a nutshell, is how they access their social studies book online through Clever. Thank you.